this video I'm going to show how to fix incoming calls not showing on your screen on your Android phone. Just watch the video until the end. If someone calls you and you're unable to see the call on your screen, watch it until the end and fix this. So go to your phone settings and do the following. So when you tap phone settings, now scroll down and look for applications with respect to the type of phone you have, and then you're going to tap on manage applications. Please make sure you watch this video until the end, and subscribe for more tech tips, tricks. So in the search area, you're going to search for the app, this phone application, that third option. So you're going to tap that application, tap on phone. Now this is why you need to pay a lot of attention. Now below in the right lower part of the screen, you can decide try to clear cache. If that fails to work for you, try to make sure you clear all the data. Press OK, but first try clear the cache and see if that works for you. Try that, and maybe the other thing, make sure you subscribe for more tech tips, tricks. So if that doesn't work for you, please make sure you restart your phone and see if this works. Let me know down in the comment section if this works for you.